Hello, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today, we are going to practice very simple English together. And don't worry, I will say every sentence completely, so you can just listen and repeat easily. Okay, let's start. My name is Harry. I am from England. I live in London. I am a teacher. I want to help people learn English. Good. Now, listen again slowly. My name is Harry. I am from England. I live in London. I am a teacher. Very nice. Now, let's practice another introduction. Hello. My name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I live in Lahore. I am a student. I want to improve my English. Excellent. Now another one. Hi. My name is Sarah. I am from Pakistan. I live in Karachi. I work in a hospital. I like listening to music. Very good. Now listen carefully. Hello, everyone. My name is Ahmed. I am from Pakistan. I live in Islamabad. I am a worker. I practice English every day. Wonderful. Now, another example. Hi, friends. My name is Aisha. I am from Pakistan. I live in Multan. I am a college student. I love learning English. Very nice. Now, let's do simple daily speaking practice. My name is Harry. I am happy today. I am learning English. I can speak simple English. I am improving every day. Good job. Now repeat slowly. I can speak English. I am not afraid. I will practice every day. Mistakes are normal. I will continue learning. Excellent. Now, let's practice a small, real-life conversation. Hello. My name is Harry. Nice to meet you. I am from England. I live in London. What is your name? Very good. Now, another practice. Hello, everyone. My name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I live in Leah. I work in a hospital. I want to speak English confidently. Wonderful. Now one more. Hi, my name is Fatima. I am from Pakistan. I live in Faisalabad. I am a student. I enjoy watching English videos. Excellent. Now speak with confidence. My name is Harry. I am learning English slowly. I am becoming more confident. I practice every day. I can do it. Very good. And remember, simple English is powerful. Short sentences are okay. Slow English is okay. Daily practice is the secret. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep smiling. See you in the next lesson on 24/7 Talk English.